Hey, wait, I bought a flower for you here. A flower for me? Thank you. But why does the flower look like it just had some decomposition on it? I mean, it's fine. I will take the flower. I'll dissect it. Dissect it? Oh, okay, never mind. Anyways, have fun. I'll go. Bro, come on. I think you can say that this guy has a lot of guts. Like, literally for doing it. Yo guys, this is me, TotalityHio. Welcome back to another video. Well, I thought you would like some romantic stuff here, right? No, I'm not gonna do any romantic stuff. We're gonna be dissecting this flower right here. And I will give you some research results that I've found out overall. So, let's start. Also, I got to know that this flower you see here is Dianthus caryophyllus flower, which is the scientific name of this flower. And its common name is known as carnation flower, which is a cool name, I guess. And it is said that the petals are vibrant in order to attract those insects so that they can do pollination, and I will soon get to know what I'm trying to say. Once we dissect this flower, we'll get to know more about it. So yeah, these are the flower, and if you closely observe, there is a pistil inside it. I mean, I cannot show there, I guess. Do you see that green part right there? That green part, or that there is something inside, right? And that part is actually the pistil or the carpel, the female reproductive part of the flower. This flower you see here is a perfect flower, which means that it has both male reproductive part and female reproductive part of it. And it also has, the accessory petals and sepals here, that is calyx and corolla. So we're gonna get more idea of what we're trying to understand. So let's start off actually dissecting it. Alright, flower, it's time to get dissected. Say goodbye and get dissected. So let's start dissecting the flower. We're gonna move and let's see the bottom part of the flower. And by doing this, we're gonna first off cut off the petal on one of the sides. By doing this, we can get an overview. We're also gonna cut the bottom part of the petals, that is overall, that is corolla basically. And by looking at this, we're basically seeing that there's a hand going on, which I didn't notice. And I was trying my best to cut out the calyx. While I was doing that, I actually wanted to tear off the corolla part from one side, and you can see that there were stamens and pistil present. By doing this, I was actually doing it very carefully since the flower was super delicate. I managed to took out the some part, and I actually noticed something while I was doing this, which was kind of interesting. That there were 5 stamens, and there was one pistil for that. That is, the female reproductive part. And while I was doing, I was thinking of trying to cut the calyx part so that I can easily start off the work by separating this. So I kind of tried my best to actually cut the bottom part, but that would be a big problem, so I actually did it very carefully. While I was doing it, so I thought of separating the leaves a bit, and this time it was successful. While I was dissecting my flower, I saw an ant coming out of the petals of the flowers, so I thought interacting with it. Let's trap this little ant right here. I mean, of course I will then save this guy. I'm not gonna do anything much to him, but let's put that. Yep. I was just using my pencil continuously to make the circles around it, but it wasn't working, so I thought using my pen. Bro, come in. Oh wait, no way. Oh, that worked. Yo, look at that. Look at it. Oh my god, it worked. Bro, he cannot go out. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god, I did not know that. Look at that, dude. Oh shoot. Dude, oh my god, he cannot get out. And I don't want him to be here forever, so we'll see later. Bro, did he just cross that line? Dude, look at that. Okay, never mind, he escaped. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, by the way, goodbye. Okay, what happened? Yeah, he's there. You know what? Let's just continue with the dissection. So I actually was able to take out the calyx, which was successful, and my next goal was to take out the pistil. While I was doing that, I wanted to use my fingers doing it, and I actually noticed that the connection between the ovary and the style was very weak. I was trying to cut out the stamens, but I wanted to explain this at the same time. So the connection was very small, and the stigma was very sticky at the same time, because it makes sense. It's very important for pollination. Now, focusing on andrecium part, the stamens, I actually noticed to cut it from the back part of the stamens, since they are connected to the petals, showing that the flower is a epipetalous flower, and we can cut it from the back part, and it was easy enough to do. So overall, I have completed the dissection, and let's now analyze and see the parts. Overall, we got all the kinds of dissection here. This is the corolla, the petals, which contains the color to attract the insects for pollination. Then the calyx, which is the sepals, or these kind of leaves you see, which actually protects the flower at the budding stage. Then we got the male reproductive part and female reproductive part. It consists of filament and anther. This is also known as andrecium, and gynecium, which consists of ovary, style, and stigma. The connection to style and ovary is very weak, so that's we can know. Overall, I got to know by research that it is a Dianthus caryophyllus. Its genus name is Dianthus and species name is Caryophyllus, of course, and the family name is Caryophyllaceae. Then we got Caryophyllales as order, and class Angiospermae, and kingdom Plantae. I also got to know that it could be eudicots. It's not monocot or dicot, which is kind of weird to know, and it's very interesting to know at the same time. So it was overall very interesting way to know each and every kind of dissection I have done. Also there's diagrams of me making areas bounding the ant. That was funny. But yeah, that's it, I guess. It's stamen, by the way. I forgot to mention that. And yeah, as you can see, this is the dissection, and let's go more detailed into it. Hello everyone, this is me, TotalityHio from the future, and welcome back again. I know I'm actually off the timeline here, but I wanted to do a big correction here. The flower that I previously said and you saw was not Dianthus caryophyllus flower. Okay, this flower is basically Petunia hybrida flower. Okay, because I noticed that Dianthus caryophyllus flower has a characteristics of over somewhere around from 3 to 5 pistils and 10 stamens. So I was like, oh god, this is not great at all. This is not correct. So Petunia flower you are seeing here, the Petunia hybrid flower, has a bracteate. Okay. Then I actually forgot to mention that this flower had placentation arrangement. That is the axile placentation. I can show it to you in the textbook too, and it's given in here, the axile placentation arrangement. And this flower is also a type of a flower is having its ovary at the top position, and the stamens are situated below or beneath it. That shows that this flower is a hypogynous flower. And this is how it is. You can see the axile placentation. What is placentation, by the way? Placentation is basically the arrangement of the ovule, okay, the female gamete with the ovary, and then ovule contains the female gamete, and then the hypogynous flower here. The ovary is literally situated a bit at the top here. You can easily see through that in the flower, because once I show the flower here, I don't have it right now, it got fully decomposed, so it's not available. The corolla part became fully black color. That's how it is now, so I had to throw it out, sadly. I mean, that's the story of that flower. But I'm gonna put an AI generated image of how it looks like. The reason I'm not putting any kind of Google picture or anything is because they're giving other variations of the flower, the Petunia hybrida. The flower color is like pink or purple, or some white color flower with purple or pink veins. I was like, bro, they're giving us other variations. I need the red color one. So I just got the AI generated one here, and I think that's it for now. Overall, to know about it. Also, if I describe this flower here, the petunia flower, this, of course, a petunia just describes that this genus it has is petunia. Then it also has, the family, and that genus the petunia genus belongs to the family Solanaceae. The Solanaceae belongs to the nightshade. Solanaceae is also known as nightshade. Okay, and then this Solanaceae family belongs to the order Polymonales. The order Polymonales belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae. Okay, and the class Dicotyledonnae belongs to the Angiospermae, which basically belongs to the flowering plants, full division. And this division Angiospermae, of course, belongs to kingdom Plantae, the plant kingdom. And that's it for knowing, and I'm so sorry for this huge mistake. I did not want it to do that, and the reason I don't want to remove this clip is because I did not want it to remove it. It's just really good, it suits into the video, that's why. So yeah, that's it for now, and see you next time. Good one. Allah Hafiz.